Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Next, let's talk about gold. Okay, so for gold, I think from a 4-hour perspective, the longs have been taken out, right? All these leverage longs here, taken out, cleared out. Now the market makers have quite a decision to make, right? It's like, so their decision note is this. Is there more profit if I take out the leverage longs here and here? Or is there more profit if I take out the shorts here or here? Right? That is the decision note, right? In their heads. If there's more value to one side, then it is a very obvious rush to that side because that's the area of value, and price will always go towards that area where there will be most value made. So I think we have a bias towards the upside. Do not be surprised if you see price move slightly further down from here and then move up. So maybe retest 1835 and then go back up to test 1900 to 1920. Now for the bear case, if there's more value here, right, easier to take people out who longed here, then price might go down there. But we think we will find strong support at around 1800. Yeah, and if it does move down, this move to a downside will not be an easy one. It will be extremely choppy. It will be a corrective move rather than an impulsive move, right? This is an impulsive move. A corrective move will look like extremely choppy, right?
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.